Hey y'all, welcome back to the video. You done? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna look at two subcompacts. Two subcompact guns. One is the Canik SC Elite or Elite SC. That's what it looks like. I do have the 80E optic on here, and the reason why I have the 80E optic on here is because this is like one of my very first purchases. Didn't really know much about guns, didn't know about optics. Found this on Amazon, started shooting with it, then I put it away. But this is the Canik SC Elite, as you can see. And it is about 3.5 inches barrel length, weighs about 1.6 pounds. And it does have two 12-round mags. So I've already got them loaded up, ready to shoot. And it's pretty slim, pretty compact. Once you put mag in, that's what it looks like. And pretty good grip. I take the mag out for safety purposes, but there's a pretty good grip on here. Good grip angle. That's how it looks. Right, so with my mag in, I will get my pinky to get back on. Right now it's hanging off, but once I put the mag in, I'll have a good grip. But it is pretty decent. This is the Canik SC, Elite SC. Then we have the infamous Glock 43X. So of course, better grip angle on the Glock 43X, and it's a little bit slimmer. This one has a barrel length of 3.4 inches, and it weighs about 1.4 pounds. So very similar to the SC. However, the Glock 43X is a lot slimmer, and the hand grip is a little longer even without the mag inserted. So what I want to look at today is which one do I prefer? Right now I carry the Glock 43X. However, before I started carrying the Glock 43X, I was carrying the Canik SC Elite, and I liked it, but then I was informed about the Glock 43X and decided, oh, let me give it a try. It felt right off the bat, the Glock 43X felt better than the Canik. However, the Glock 43X only has two 10-round mags, whereas the Canik has two 12 rounds. So the mag capacity on the Canik is a lot better. I mean, two more rounds, but hey, the more rounds the merrier. So haven't shot the SC in a while, so I want to bring it back out today, shoot it, let's see what happens. All right, so we're just gonna do get some shots out of the Canik SC Elite first. Just hitting some steel targets, and see what it feels like. Man, I haven't shot this one in a minute. Let's see, it might be rusty. Good. This sight, it's not all that, which was, I think when I bought it, it was probably maybe $60. They're probably cheaper now. But let's go to the second round. But this part right here be pinching me. Right here. And I don't know if it's the part, the gap in between here. Once you close it, you get your good grip. This part right here pinches me a little bit. But other than that, it kind of feels like a full-size gun, honestly. Even though it's subcompact, feels meaty. Like the grip is pretty meaty. But overall, that was good. Let's go to the 43X. That felt good. The Glock 43X never fails. And I could be biased with making this decision. I've got my OEM mag with the extended +4 base plate from Glock. I am not sponsored, but I bought it with my own money. I actually like how it shoots. The ammo, the grain of the ammo. I don't know. They're kind of similar. They're similar in so many ways. I don't know. Let's shoot again, because the Glock 43X felt like my trigger finger. It felt a little bit better, and I'm not getting pinched right here. But as I shared with y'all earlier, I already have full grip on this one. Even with the mag in, I still have a full grip, finger off the trigger, safety. Full grip, whereas SC, I have a full grip once that mag is in, but when it's not. So the grip does make a difference to me. Let's load up another mag and shoot one more. Alright, y'all. During the reload, the cameraman pissed me off. So if I have an attitude, don't worry about it. I'm going to try to take it out on this steel, but he pissed me off. So here we go.
And I'm the husband.
Grab my glasses?
No. See, that's why I don't go out here with her, because she's so mean. Here are your stinking glasses.
I'm going with the Canik SC Elite first. And I brought my timer out so I can see which one I can shoot the quickest with just a couple of double taps. We'll just start off with just, actually let's just start with one single shot and see how fast I can get that off at a low ready. So low ready with Elite subcompact. Wasn't ready. I missed it. That's 109 though. 1.02. That will hurt my nail. I about broke my nail on that one. That was 0.97. I missed the target. Missed that one too. I'm actually not even looking at my dot. I'm just trying to shoot. That's 0.84. .97. I'm still missing the target, but we'll work on it. .12. So that time I did take my time and found my red dot. The first few times I wasn't looking at my red dot. I think it was taking too long. But 1.12 hit the target that time. .93. By the way, I'm about 11, 12 yards from the target. That was .93. That's probably the best one. If you don't believe me, go. 1.32. Oh. 1.06. I missed that one. .14. Oh! First shot was .94. Overall 2.06. So that was 12 shots with the SC. It still felt good. Again, I still keep going back to Canik's. Their trigger has always been the best right out of the box. Nobody can beat Canik. Also, just with this SC, it just feels very full, although it's a subcompact. A few of those, like I mentioned earlier, when I put this mag in, it really just pinches me right here on the pinky. But that's really all the gripe that I have about this gun. Probably the optic too. But that's me. That's something I need to change. Is get a different optic on here. But I don't know. I think it's good. For the price point, I don't think I told y'all this, but the Canik SC Elites are going for anywhere between like $380 to about $430, something around there. So they're pretty affordable, pretty cheap. If you don't know anything about Canik guns are budget friendly. Like you get a full package, a whole hard case with a lot of goodies inside, plus a decent firearm. So that's that one. Now let's go to the Glock 43X. When I picked this Glock up, it feels so good in my hand. So again, I'm gonna start with my 10 rounder, and we're gonna do going for low ready with the timer, just trying to put a shot on to the steel. Let's see how it goes. I didn't do so well with the Canik, as you know, so we'll see how it goes with the 43X. My finger, so I had my finger outside of the trigger guard, and when I went to pull the trigger, my nail kind of got caught before I went to press the trigger. So that's something for me to figure out. Ooh. 1.11, I missed it though. .95. That was a good one. It felt good too. The Glock. It's the grip for me. .20. 1.04. Y'all probably already know by now. I don't know how many shots that's been, but I've been hitting them more than I hit the Canik. I don't know what that's attested to, but we'll figure it out. 0.97. Oh, that's 0.99, but I missed it. Oh, let's see my dot. 1.07. 1.32. 1.51. I think that was the worst I've done. 1.51. Empty. Okay. So, let's do a little comparison real quick. So here we have it. Two subcompact guns. All right, you can already see some differences and some similarities, but let's go with the barrel lengths. All right, so as you can see, the Canik is a little bit longer, and I'm trying to touch them right at the butts, but it's a little bit longer, maybe like an inch longer than the Glock 43X. Then as we look at bottoms, they're almost, let's see, they're almost the same. When you put the mags in, empty mag, that's the Canik, it's about the same as the 43X. 43X mag in, they're roughly the same if you look at them from the sides. Roughly. Nothing too crazy. As you can tell though, there is a difference between the slimness of the 43X and the Canik. The Canik is a little thicker, which I think is why it has such that fullness, full compact feel, because it's thicker. It's also one of the reasons why I changed to the 43X as my EDC is I'm a small frame girl, and concealing is like my top priority. Like, that's the number one thing I'm going for, is how can I conceal this weapon? And when I had the 43 or the Canik, this thing is a thick body, okay? That doesn't even include the holster. So the holster is already thick. I'm trying to appendix carry. Plus I got a thick Canik. Like, it was just too much. So that's when I decided to go with the 43X as my slim carry subcompact option. And as you can see, I showed y'all earlier, it's just very, very slim and thin. Okay, so I think I got one more mag for each. I think I'm just magged up, and see what it looks like. All right, Canik SC, or Canik Elite SC. SC stands for subcompact. All right, here we go. As good as that sounded and felt, y'all, these two fingers right here, like, they were pinching. That is so uncomfortable. They were pinching the snot out of me. I don't know. It was still good. All right, let's go with the Glock 43X. And I have 14 in this one. Ain't been so hot on that one. However, this grip, it felt good. Just, I wasn't pinching. It just felt good. So if I had to choose, I think it's really tight, honestly. If I had to choose between the 43X and the Canik Elite SC, it'd have to be the 43X!
The 43X!
Y'all know the 43X Glock is reliable. I'm not saying Canik ain't reliable. Canik on the come up, but it's the feel of the Glock 43X for me, and just how slim and compact it is. Like, I like Canik, don't get me wrong, and I shouldn't have thrown it, but I like it. But this is a better fit for me. And tear me up in the comment section. I don't care. I do what's best for me. I don't get with all the hype everybody talking about. Oh, do this, go do that, whatever. I do what's best for me. I spend my money on what I want to carry, and this is what I want to carry. So, Glock 43X is my pick. If you're picking the Canik, I still don't think that's a bad option. That is a great option. But pick what works for you and pick what is more comfortable for you. Because a lot of times we want to get caught up in the hype of, oh, let's go with Glock. Everybody know Glock reliable, which is very true. But if you feel like you can carry a Canik better, you can carry a Glock, and you feel comfortable shooting a Canik better than shooting a Glock, go with the Canik. But I'm choosing the Glock. All right, so see y'all next time. Remember, stay armed, stay safe, stay vigilant.